Hello traders. Before I get into the review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so on my screen right now, I'm looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page for Golden Algo EA. This is developed by Abderrahmane Benali, and it's currently listed as an MT5 expert advisor. So this version is strictly for MT5, although I can see there is a note that an MT4 version is available on request. Now the EA is priced at 99 US dollars, and it shows around 10 activations, which means it's already been used across multiple accounts on the marketplace. The latest version here is 2.0, updated in February 2026. Now, as I scroll through the overview, the first thing that stands out is that this EA is built specifically for XAUUSD, which is gold, and it is designed primarily for the 1 minute time frame. So right away, this is clearly a very focused system built around a specific market and execution speed. Now, one of the first features mentioned is a smart information window. This is basically a dashboard that allows you to monitor open trades and daily limits directly on the chart, which helps keep track of performance without needing to manually check everything in the terminal. It also includes a news filter, which is designed to avoid trading during high impact economic events. That is important because it helps reduce exposure during volatile news periods where spreads and price movements can become unpredictable. There is also a daily money management system which allows you to set a maximum daily loss. Once that limit is reached, trading is stopped for the day. So this adds a layer of protection around capital control. Another key part here is flexible risk management. From what is described, the EA allows adjustments based on account size, including lot sizing and position control, which means the risk exposure can be scaled depending on how you configure it. Now, moving further down, I also noticed that it includes timing filters, meaning you can define trading hours. So instead of running all day, it can be restricted to specific time windows, which gives more control over when trades are taken. Now, looking at the core strategy section, the EA uses a combination of technical indicators, including Bollinger Bands, um, RSI, and ATR based trend filtering. So the logic being described here is a structured system that looks at volatility, momentum, and trend direction to identify entries and exits. There are also mentions of break-even management and trailing stop functionality, which suggests that once trades are active, the EA can adjust protection levels and potentially lock in profits as price moves. Now, at this point, I'm going to move into the strategy tester and run a historical backtest so we can observe how Golden Algo behaves on XAUUSD under real market conditions. So we are going to be testing the XAUUSD on the we're going to be testing the Golden Algo on XAUUSD on the 1 minute time frame. Here we go. So this is Golden Algo XAUUSD 1 minute time frame, running the test from the beginning of this year till date, so we can get a reasonable data for the back testing. And then we can see that for the delays, we're using last ping to the server, every tick modeling. Okay, the test has already been concluded. All right. Looking at the historical chart now, what I'm focusing on is how the EA reacts around volatility phases, especially on the 1 minute time frame where price movements can be quite fast and sensitive. Okay, so we can also see these technical indicators, included here in their respective windows. Now, from the chart behavior, you can see, um, okay, I'm just going to bring this down a bit. All right. Okay, so we have the Bollinger Bands, we have the RSI, we have standard deviation as well. Okay. So I'm trying to find, specific trades. But based on the information that we already have access to on the MQL5 marketplace page, we'll be expecting to see trades being structured around short-term movements, with entries appearing to align with shifts in momentum and volatility expansion. Okay, because the combination of indicators like the Bollinger Bands and the ATR based filtering becomes more visible when you observe how trades cluster around certain market conditions. All right. Okay, so we can see this an example of a trade I was taking, and this EA seems to be the type to hold trades for long, because I can see that this trade, despite, okay, this is the 1 minute time frame, anyways. The trade was executed here and it was held over so many candles before it was finally closed here, and there seems to be reasonable spacing between trades. Although I'm looking for a second trade right now, but the EA seems to be the type that is looking for opportunities in the market before executing a trade. It doesn't just jump in and execute random trades based on my observation. All right. Okay, so you might also, with proper study, be able to notice how trade management plays a role during the life cycle of positions, especially where breakdown, adjustments, and trailing logic appear to influence how trades are held or exited during movement. Now, we just want to move into the results. We can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative 1,244.84 dollars, and we can see that the total trades taken were 62, short trades were 27 with 22.22% win rate, long trades were 35 with 45.71% win rate. Now, for the largest profit is just $49.38. The largest loss is $846.69. The average profit is $18.70. The average loss is $41.41. Now, the risk to reward ratio is bad. The win rate is also bad. I'm not surprised to see a negative net profit, right? Because having a bad risk to reward ratio and a bad win rate, of course, what are you going to expect, right? But this is strictly historical backtest performance, and it's important to keep in mind that this is not a guarantee of future outcomes. Okay, it simply shows how the EA performed under um, you know under specific past conditions on XAUUSD. As with any system, performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution, spreads, slippage, and overall market conditions. So it's always important not to rely solely on backtest results. Okay, I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions before considering any live application. Overall, the Golden Algo EA presents a structured and highly configurable approach to trading gold on lower time frames, combining technical indicators with multiple risk management tools, and the real outcome depends heavily on how it is configured and tested by the user. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.